is being fit to me important? Healthy body, healthy mind. Super cliche, but it's one of the most powerful things that you could follow in your life, literally. I think fitness does that. It helps me in particular because I've got so many things happening. I've got my personal brand, I've got my office life job, I've got family. It clears my head, it gives me that, just sharpens my focus on how I'm going to tackle various things or what I'm up to. And I need that in my life. I need fitness, I need workouts, and skipping is just perfect for that because it just fine-tunes everything that I need to concentrate better, to feel better about myself. And the typical line you always hear is jumping for joy. People jumping for joy, and that's the thing with skipping. You don't understand, but this type of motion releases so much endorphins into your body that you feel good about yourself. You know your body's working out, you know your muscles are just being used. It's not sometimes like any other kind of cardio. You have to really focus in skipping, and you have to get it right. You have to get the timing right, and your body just naturally gets better and better at it, and you start to see results quick. And that's what's so good about it. And yeah, that's why I've been promoting it for so long, and it's just going to help people out there. It's definitely helped my life, and that's why it's so important to me, because it has helped me. It's helped me build a brand. It's helped me manage just life in general better, feel better about myself, bring me happiness. That's why it's so important to me.